Good morning, everybody. My name is Alejandro Arrieta, Customer Operations Engineer from Cloudera, and today we are going to see how to move Resource Manager with Ambari. The agenda. First, we are going to see relevant links, then recommendations, then description of current cluster, and finally, demo with steps. Relevant links. First, the official product documentation of Hortonworks Cloudera products, and second, the community forum link. Description of current cluster. The cluster name is C465. We have 4 nodes, node 1 to 4. We have 2 resource managers in node 2 and 3, and we will move the resource manager from node 2 to node 1 using the Resource Manager Move wizard from Ambari User Interface. Recommendations. Following services will be restarted as part of the wizard, yarn and map reduced to. You should plan a cluster maintenance window and prepare for cluster downtime when moving Resource Manager. And now we go to the demo. In Ambari Web User Interface, browse to Services, Yarn and Summary. Select Service Actions and choose Move Resource Manager. The Move Master wizard launches describing a set of steps that you must follow to move the Resource Manager. Following services will be restarted as part of the wizard, Yarn and Map reduced to. You should plan a cluster maintenance window and prepare for cluster downtime when moving Resource Manager. Please click Next. On Select Target Host, assign Resource Manager to new host. You can choose one Resource Manager to move to new hosts. When you're ready, please click Next. On Review, confirm your host selections. Expand Yarn if necessary to review all the configuration changes proposed for Yarn. Click Next to approve the changes and start automatically the movement of the resource managers. On Configure Components, click Complete when all the progress bars finish tracking. Restart any components using Ambari Web User Interface if necessary. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, give a like, leave a comment, and have a nice day.